Hi, this is Nicole, a librarian at McAllen Public Library. If you haven't seen our intro to bullet journaling videos, there's a link to our LibGuide that has all of the videos and info in one place. Today I'm going over 5 banners. They can be used as titles or headers. Basically, these can go at the top or center of your page to highlight whatever you wish. To make a straight banner, draw 2 straight parallel lines and close the lines to create a rectangle. On each side of the rectangle, draw 2 parallel lines to create a V-tail. The V-cuts will create the look of a ribbon. Draw a diagonal line from the corner of the original rectangle to the inside corner of the tail. This creates a folded look. You can shade the fold to add dimension, and don't forget to add lettering in the banner. To make a double-decker straight banner, draw 2 rectangles, the bottom one offset to the right. Connect your bottom section by drawing a line from the bottom corner diagonally to connect the 2 levels. At the top left and bottom right of the rectangles, draw lines connected to create the folds. Shade the folds and the middle section or leave as is. To make a curved banner, make a curved rectangle. Use the same techniques with the V-cuts and the V-tails. Draw them on the top if curved upward or on the bottom if curved downward. Then draw a diagonal line from the corner of the original rectangle to the inside corner of the tail. This creates that folded look. Shade the folds and add lettering, and make it your own. For the last banner, we'll do another kind of double-decker banner, but with no space in between. Draw 2 rectangles, one directly below and offset to the right. Then use the same techniques for the V-tails, the folds, and the shading. Try practicing and making banners with different lettering and shapes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow MPL Adults on Facebook.